Now, I've got a great little warm-up exercise for you here, and this is one that will warm up your fingers and your mind in the same time. Because what we'll do, we'll go through the cycle of fifths. Basically, we'll play every tonality with their 1 and 5 chords. Okay, so we'll start with a C major 7 chord, C, E, G, B, and ascending will make that a C7 chord, C, B flat, G, E. Now resolving that to an F major chord, F, E, C, A. Now coming back on an F7 chord, F, A, C, E flat. And now we're going to resolve that to a B flat major chord, but play the D note first because we are using a little bit of voice leading there, okay? Carry on from the B flat major chord, and we'll play the D first to the B flat, and then to the F, and to the A. So you can see we kind of played around with those notes there. And this time we're going to come back with a B flat 7th chord, B flat, A flat, F, D. And I'm going to put my second finger on the E flat here to go on to E flat. So we'll play an E flat major chord, and then come back with an E flat 7 chord, and so on and so on and so on. So that is the exercise. So let me just play it for you all the way through, and enjoy practicing it. Like I said, it is a real great way to start your practice, or just warm up before a rehearsal, or even before a gig. Okay, so here it goes. C major, C7, F major, F7, B flat major, B flat 7, E flat major, E flat 7, A flat major, A flat 7, D flat major, D flat 7, G flat major, G flat 7, or let's call that F sharp 7, to B major, to B7, to E major, to E7, to A major, to A7, to D major, to D7, to G major, to G7, and we're back to C major. Excellent. Enjoy practicing this exercise, and let us know how you get on with it. Give us a little comment below. And thanks a lot, you guys, for watching.